Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the H13 527 exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank and they were updated on November 27th, 2024. Study guide. Question 1. In Huawei Cloud Stack, enterprise projects are used to manage cloud resources in combination with IT projects. Which of the following roles is unable to create an enterprise project? The knowledge points of this question are enterprise project management and role permissions. Enterprise projects let you organize and control resources across departments. Only specific roles, like administrators, can create them. The secondary VDC administrator doesn't have enough privileges for this task, since their role focuses on managing resources within their assigned VDC. So, the correct answer is the secondary VDC administrator doesn't have enough privileges to create enterprise projects. They focus on managing resources within their assigned VDC, so higher-level tasks like creating projects across departments are not part of their role. Question 2. In Huawei Cloud Stack, which of the function is not a function of metering and pricing? The knowledge points of this question are functions of metering and pricing. Metering and pricing track resource usage and costs. They handle tasks like billing, reporting, and pricing services. Performance monitoring, however, is about system health and efficiency, so it's managed separately and isn't part of metering and pricing. So, the correct answer is metering and pricing are all about tracking usage, generating reports, and setting service prices. Performance monitoring is about keeping the system running smoothly, which is a separate job managed by operational tools, not the metering and pricing system. Question 3. In Huawei Cloud Stack, which operation is performed on the Service OM interface? The knowledge points of this question are Service OM platform configuration. The Service OM interface is where you fine-tune how resources are used. For example, you can adjust the CPU reuse ratio for host groups to make better use of computing power. Tasks like network port mapping are done elsewhere, not in Service OM. So, the correct answer is Service OM is where you adjust resource settings to improve efficiency. Configuring the CPU reuse ratio helps ensure that multiple workloads can share computing resources effectively. Other tasks, like network port mapping, are handled in different parts of the system. Question 4. In Huawei Cloud Stack, which of the following cloud services can enable interoperability between the cloud and the local data center? The knowledge points of this question are Cloud Local Data Center interoperability. These services help connect your cloud and on-premises data center. VPNs and Layer 2 bridging extend your network to the cloud, while cloud-dedicated lines give you fast and reliable links. Cloud connections bring everything together for smooth communication between systems. So the correct answers are BPMs allow secure connections between your data center and the cloud, while Layer 2 bridging extends your local network to the cloud. These services make it easier to integrate and manage resources across different environments. Question 5. In Service OM Network Resource Management, which of the following operations can be performed? The knowledge points of this question are: Service OM Network Resource Management. In Service OM, you can create public-facing elastic IP networks or virtual networks for tenants. These tools make it easy to manage network resources at the cloud level. Physical network setups, however, are handled differently since they involve hardware. So the correct answers are: Service OM lets you create external networks with elastic IPs for public access and set up virtual networks for tenant use. These tools are critical for managing and organizing network resources in the cloud. Question 6. In Huawei Cloud Stack, which of the following operations can be performed using Fusion Sphere OpenStack? The knowledge points of this question are: Fusion Sphere OpenStack functionalities. Fusion Sphere OpenStack helps manage cloud resources efficiently. For example, you can resize virtual machines to match changing workloads, or check detailed network interface and QoS settings. More complex tasks, like bulk script execution, typically need additional tools. So the correct answers are: Fusion Sphere OpenStack allows you to resize virtual machines when workloads change and view detailed information about network interfaces like QoS settings. These features make it easier to manage resources efficiently. Question 7. In OpenStack, which of the following operations will lead to data loss for virtual machines using temporary storage? The knowledge points of this question are: OpenStack temporary storage behavior. Temporary storage in OpenStack is erased whenever a VM is shut down, restarted, or deleted. It's designed for short-term data, so you'll lose anything not saved elsewhere. Renaming a VM, however, won't affect the data since it's just a metadata change. So the correct answers are: Temporary storage in OpenStack is wiped clean whenever a VM is shut down, restarted, or deleted. It's designed for short-term use, so make sure to save important data elsewhere. Renaming the VM won't cause any data loss because it only changes the name. If you have any questions about the H13527 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.